In this video, I'm going to be going over the 7 things I wish I would have known before moving to Houston, Texas. I moved to Houston, Texas about 1.5 years ago from Las Vegas, Nevada. All in all, I've been really happy with my move here. Me and my family are really happy with our decision to move here, and all in all, I would say it's a great place to live. However, there were a few things that I was not expecting or I didn't know until I got here. I wouldn't say this list is negative or positive. The first thing is the bugs, mostly the mosquitoes. There are a lot of mosquitoes here in Houston. It's very hot and humid, and that is a breeding ground for mosquitoes. But all in all, I would say be prepared for the insects. Fortunately, the city does have spray trucks that kind of spray the communities in different areas, and that does help tremendously, but you can definitely tell when they don't do it or when it is extra humid outside. Number 2 is how vast it is here. Everybody knows that Houston is huge and that it has a lot of traffic just like any other metropolitan city, but what I didn't realize until I actually got here is even if something says that it's like 5 or 6 miles away, it's going to take 30 minutes to get there. It's just very vast and spread out. Most of the time you'll have your grocery stores and your day-to-day stores fairly close and you can get there within a few minutes, but if you want to try a special restaurant or some kind of event or something new, you're definitely going to have to drive. There'll be some travel time included. The thing I wasn't expecting until I got here was the weather. I came in knowing that it was very hot and humid and that the summers are pretty miserable here to some people. Coming from a desert, I was actually looking forward to the thunderstorms and the rain and the inclement weather, and I was pretty pumped for it. It is actually one of the driving reasons I wanted to move to Houston was for a weather change. However, I now know that the inclement weather and these storms that Houston can experience are in fact pretty intense, or they can be intense, and that it is very important to prepare yourself for that and to have a couple days worth of supplies in case the power goes out or there is some kind of major storm that needs repairing. The next thing I wasn't really aware of until I started house hunting here in Houston is how much the property taxes are. The home values in Texas are lower than the national average, at least they were. But I didn't realize that they also have one of the highest property taxes in the country, especially coming from a state that had almost no property taxes. It was kind of a shock to me to see how much the taxes were, especially if you were looking in a new home community or a little bit further out in the suburbs. The MUD taxes in particular can be a little bit higher there than in some areas. Another thing I didn't know until I got here is that Texas and Houston have multiple power utility providers. Again, I came from a state that had one power provider for the entire state, and that's who we used. I did not realize here that there are multiple, like almost 100 through the entire state. They also have programs where you can have somebody switch out your accounts every month to the lowest rate. The last thing is the school districts, the independent school districts. Texas as a whole and Houston in general have a ton of independent school districts. Again, I came from a state that had one district for almost half the state, so we mostly focused on the school scores versus what the district did. However, here in Houston, I learned that you need to not only look at the school districts and their ratings, but also the schools within these school districts. It did take a little bit more time and research to understand the different areas and neighborhoods and school districts. So that's just something to keep in mind. So those are just a few of the things that I wasn't aware of or didn't know until I moved here to Houston, Texas. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as I will be releasing a new video every week about living here in Houston. If you're thinking of moving or wanting more information about living in Houston, feel free to message me or in the comment box below. I've linked some other videos that I have done with more information about moving here to Houston. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.